Pyramid at IT Park Cebu, and I am stealing your vlog because today is the press launch of the second batch of Binibining Cebu. Check it out, stay tuned for updates. I'm Maria Gigante, your Binibining Cebu charity, the first ever. My pleasure. And now for a short welcome speech by our executive assistant from the Binibining Cebu Charities, Miss Natasha Manuel. Please give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Hello, maayong hapon sa atong mga higala sa Cebu na media, no? Maayong hapon sa atong mga guests karong hapunangan hi.
This year will be a little more organized. We're going to be, well, we actually really know what we're doing now. Because like last year, for a lot of us, Binibiningg Cebu was actually the first pageant we had ever watched. So yeah, that's true, right? That's true. So this year at least, we're gonna have an easier time today.
We'll be talking with Carrie and we'll be trying to brainstorm how to do it even better. But we want to use this time more Cebuano talent. In fact, pwede nga, wala lang taga Manila, no? Okay na sad, no? But we want to reinvent, no? The way na usay magod kani mga all our performances, no? Murag yung bitaw ta, no? Sorry to use the word, but murag Bisaya ra kay ba, local ra kay. We have to make it world class, no? So we will try to work with them, the performers, and trying to develop new performances. So we're not only developing the girls, but also all the, you know, this will be a celebration of Cebuano creativity.
Tourism and for the ladies to do charity works. So it doesn't matter whether you're of color, maybe yellow, red, or gold. It's really the heart that matters here. So we wish to continue this way because the only aim is not just the competition, but what is behind it. So we are open to, Cebu has become a multicultural, multinational at that. We see, especially Cebu is the #1 tourist destination in the country. So you've seen Koreans living here, Indians, and if you will ask them, they say they're Filipino. So it's very important that we have to be global, like what Kenneth said. We'll open our hearts, our mind into the world. Not just limit ourselves into what is Cebuano, but instead what is global.
Okay, the objective of Binibiningg Cebu is twofold. To find a beautiful Cebuana to represent Cebu, but more importantly, it's to promote the tourism of each municipality and city, and then thirdly is to do charity work. So we've been able to accomplish all of those three things with last year's event. So since it has had a very positive impact on not just us as a foundation, the girls who joined, the candidates, and then the municipalities that have benefited from our projects. So why not continue? So we decided, as soon as the pageant ended last year, we decided we will do this again. We will make this a continuing, actually even before the pageant ended, we had already decided that this will be something that we are going to do for the next 5-10 years, forever. We want to help Cebu. That's the bottom line.
Binibiningg Cebu will be bigger and brighter this year. So come and join us this October 26th at the Waterfront Hotel and Casino. Thanks.
You should join Binibiningg Cebu 2018 because, you know, it's the grandest. And for me, it's very, very nice to be a part of the history. I'm the first ever Binibiningg Cebu, and who else knows? You'll be the second Binibiningg Cebu. Join now!
Hello everyone, this is Samantha Ashley Lowe, your Binibining Cebu 2017 tourism. Please continue to support our Binibiningg Cebu 2018.
Hey, we're at Pyramid. We just finished our press con, and if you want to be a part of the next Binibiningg Cebu, just submit your application, check the page for qualifications, and fill up your forms, print it and submit it at the designated branches or the office, or you can email it back to us at binibiningcebu@gmail.com. So I hope to meet the new batch of girls, and I hope you guys are ready to put up a fight, because it's gonna be on.